Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you hair combo in Dress to Impress you need to try to create elegant look. Okay, first of all, you can go to the hairstyle selection and then you're going to choose this hairstyle. Wait, this one, and you're going to use the bangs only. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose the short hair. Okay, this one, and then remove the bangs. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the bangs category and we're going to choose we're going to choose this bangs. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the updo category, choose this one, and we're going to remove the bangs and scroll down and choose this hairstyle, and then go to the wavy category and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, now it's done, and let's match the color. I'm just going to color them with the same color. Okay, you can choose the color that you like. Okay, and then for this one, okay, just make them have the same color. Okay, and for the last hairstyle, okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.